Hello everyone and welcome to Best with Streamers. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can delete a video on YouTube easily. So what you want to do is first head over to your channel and then click on Manage Videos. Once you click on Manage Videos over here, press on the box right beside the video. Once you press on that, as you can see, it has been selected. Then go to more options, and then from here you can now choose to delete forever or download the video. Since we're deleting, we're gonna click on delete forever, and now it's gonna ask you for another permission thingy, because if you delete this, it is gonna be gone forever and there's no way to undo it. So I acknowledge that yes, I'm deleting this permanently, and now all I want to do is click on delete forever once again, and deleting video. While you wait, you can leave this screen. So now the video is being deleted, so it's gonna get deleted in like 30 seconds or something. But if I go to my channel now, as you can see, the video has been deleted. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like, hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell, because we're dropping new videos almost every day. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.